I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Kali Forms. Copy the webhook URL and fetch it. Now go to the Kali Forms dashboard and edit the form. Go to the setting and click on webhook. Give here a name. Create. Paste the webhook URL in the payload URL. Map the respective fields. Save. Test. Test done. Now go to Bit Integrations dashboard, and here you can see the data is fetched successfully. Set actions. Search and select Action SuiteDash. Give here your public ID and secret key. So please visit SuiteDash public ID and secret key. Copy the public ID and paste it here. Add secret key. Give here a meaningful name. Copy the secret key, save it, and paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next, choose an action. Choose a role. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features and actions you can use by checking the box. Also, you can add conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next, finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Now go to the SuiteDash site and go to Contacts. You can see the data came successfully in the SuiteDash site. Thanks for watching.